Drinking our coffee. What do you have to say about this place?
Hi guys. This place is beautiful. Yeah. Amazing. Lots of trees. We just woke up, by the way. And it's super nice here. I'm drinking coffee. David made me a coffee. It's so hot. Can I speak Tagalog or what?
I don't think the Americans speak Tagalog.
No, wait.
We're in California, north of Sacramento. We just did some nice camping in the SUV last night. This is probably BLM land. Here's Rube drinking our coffee. What do you have to say about this place?
Hi guys. This place is beautiful. Yeah. Amazing. Lots of trees. We just woke up, by the way. And it's super nice here. I'm drinking coffee. David made me a coffee. It's so hot. Hot coffee. Yeah. Can I speak Tagalog or what?
I don't think the Americans speak Tagalog.
No, of course we have a Filipino, of course, Filipino
Sure.
viewers. Yeah, so guys, kakagising lang namin, no. Dito kami natulog. We sleep here in this car. And we just put comforter. And it's super nice to sleep here and relaxing.
Yeah, we're out in the middle of nowhere. There's the mountains. It looks like they had a forest fire. Half the mountain burned down over there. Let's see if you walk out here. There's a few places to park. Over there in the parking area. Or here on this dirt road, which is a better option. I'll walk over and show you the sign so you can find this place to camp for yourself. We're waiting on our car to be fixed right now. Believe it or not, our new Land Rover, it made it 4 days, and then we had a major repair that they're working on right now. Here's where we are. Okay. Let's see. So you can pause the video and come out here if you want. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I have to make this video 3 minutes, she said. So that's what I'm doing. We just pulled back there. And then once you put the seats down, it's better than a tent, I can tell you that much. We've done a lot of tent camping, but it's far more comfortable because when you wake up in the morning and it's cold, I can just jump in the front seat and turn on the heat. Within 15 minutes, the whole car's warmed up, which is, you know, and you become comfortable again, not like staying in a tent. And then sometimes it's wet and you gotta clean up your tent. No, this is a lot easier. Anyways, I'm going over 3 minutes now. So I'm just gonna go up to the front here so Rube can say goodbye to you. Okay, I've gone over 3 minutes now. I'm at 3 minutes and 33 seconds. What do you have to say goodbye to your fans?
Okay guys, so you see nakita niyo na tong lugar namin na saan kami nag-picnic at natulog. So, kita tayo sa mga susunod na video. See you on the next video.
Bye.